Good morning, y'all. We're gonna install a CS racing exhaust on this GSXR600. Gonna take off the cat. We're gonna do a quick sound demo stock and then come back once it's installed, do a sound clip with the new CS exhaust. So there you go. I personally think without the baffle, it sounds a little bit better. It sounds cleaner. Doesn't sound like you have a small exhaust leak like if you was to run with the this thing. But yeah, I mean, dude, it sounds badass, especially for how short the pipe is. It's not like a straight pipe sound. It's a clean sound, honestly. Real clean, real nice. Once again, I do like it without the baffle. You can see still fiberglass coming off of it. So it's because that was the first startup right there. So clean, super clean. Recommend it for sure. CS Racing exhaust. Super simple to install, not too much It's better if you have a stand. If not, you'll be on the ground. This is the old exhaust. So much more heavier. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and put the baffle back on and deliver this to the customer, and that's basically it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video.